Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the origin error message 655460. An unexpected error has been acquired. Please try again in a few moments. Let's fix that issue guys. For that you need to right click on the date and time or right side corner. Right click on it and adjust date and time. Click on it. In here scroll down guys. Additional settings option is here, SY and C. Now we just want to click on it. You want to check mark over here. You want to check whether your computer has been checked over here. After check mark over here, close out of here. Now your problem has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.